Fire, not just for cook mammoth. Fire make internet. You confused? Good. That mean you listen. Long ago, fire one cave, keep away big-toothed tiger. Now, fire one giant metal cave called server farm. Inside, thousands of magic box with tiny fire heart. Human call it processor. I call it fire rock that thing. Tiny fire is electric. Electric run through wire faster than mammoth run from volcano. These tiny fires talk to each other, passing little spark message. Message go from my cave to your cave instant. Like magic smoke signal. But not all fire stay in box. Some turn into spark. Spark turn into light. Light run through long glass string. Human call it fiber optic. This string's so long, it go under ocean. Fish probably think, why water warm? Big brain human make fire small, make fire smart. Now fire answer questions, show funny cat. Remember your embarrassing searches. This why caveman invent firewall. Keep bad fire out, keep good fire in. Every dance video, every angry comment. Start with fire spark somewhere. Fire is beginning and sometimes ending. When your laptop explode. So next time you watch video, thank fire. Like, subscribe, or I burn your router. We both happy.